I've got Allrecipes top-rated macaroni salad that I'm showing you, and it's perfect for picnic and barbecue season. There are 3 main components to a macaroni salad, so you can customize them to your taste. This is just a classic Southern-style macaroni salad. Your first component is going to be a creamy dressing. It is going to be a mayonnaise-based dressing. A little yellow mustard, some sugar, and just plain white vinegar. Give that a mix. And then in with our second component, which are the crunchy veggies. We've got our celery, green bell pepper, some onion, and some shredded carrot. Stir it up. And then the star of the show, the macaroni. And then fold it all together. The noodles are gonna absorb some of that dressing. Once we make this, you're gonna wanna let it sit for a while in the fridge, and those flavors are gonna be more absorbed into the pasta. They say this is optional, but to me, I always saw little flecks of red pimentos in a macaroni salad. My little twist, since it is optional, is I prefer a roasted red pepper over just a plain pimento. They have just a little bit of a better flavor to me and like a deeper red color, so I love that. Now it looks like the real thing. This is definitely one of those salads that get better with age. So 1 day, 2 days from now, it's gonna even be better. But I'm gonna cover it and refrigerate it for at least a few hours just to let everything kind of come together. This is the real deal right here. This is the perfect side dish at any picnic or cookout. I'm all about a cold, creamy crunch. You know what I mean? This reminds me exactly of what my grandmother used to make. If you love the classic sweet and creamy macaroni salad, this top-rated recipe is the one to try. See you next time. It's the perfect accompaniment at a barbecue, a cookout. That's the same thing, right?